A day after the proscribed Hnlc National Liberation Council (Hnlc) announced the names of its leaders who will be participating in the tripartite peace talks, Chief Minister Conrad Sangma said that he was hopeful that the peace talks with the outfit will start soon. Speaking to reporters, Conrad Sangma said that the government is positive that they will be able to come out with solutions. Chief Minister also said that the government would ensure all steps are taken towards the safety of the residents.
But as I said, we are hopeful that talks will start soon. And most importantly is that we also are positive that we will be able to come out with the successful talks, and we will do our best to do that, to reach those conclusion. But let me assure everybody that all the concerns that have been raised by the members of the Hnlc, those concerns will be obviously addressed, and concerns in the sense the safety issues will be addressed, and we will ensure that all steps are taken to